Did you see the news this week? Oil prices are fluctuating wildly due to Middle East tensions. US inflation fears are back. और हमारा Sensex? It's officially down 6% since we started this journey back in October 2024. तो क्या सब बेचकर एफडी में पैसा डाल दें? Before you panic, look at this. The market is bleeding, but my portfolio is actually up 5%. कैसे? And why am I doubling down and investing more money today? Welcome to week 80 to week 81 of Where Am I Investing? Over the last 80 weeks, I have been investing across 5 mutual funds: Motilal Oswal Mid Cap Fund, Bandhan Small Cap Fund, HDFC Focused Fund, Parag Parekh Flexi Cap Fund, and Invesco India Mid Cap Fund. Let's do a quick reality check on how they are handling the global storm. Motilal Oswal Mid Cap Fund is down 8% with a negative 6% CAGR. Bandhan Small Cap Fund is up 9% with a 8% CAGR. HDFC Focus 30 Fund is up 10% with a 9% CAGR. Parag Parekh Flexi Cap Fund is up 10% with a 9% CAGR. And Invesco India Mid Cap Fund is up 6% with a 23% CAGR. Overall, my portfolio is sitting at a 5% profit with a 5% CAGR. Compare that to the Sensex, which is sitting at a negative 6% absolute returns with a negative 4% CAGR. We are officially beating the market, guys. But wait, notice how my mid-cap funds are behaving differently? There is a secret to this, which brings us to this week's investment. This week, I am putting money back into the Invesco India Mid-Cap Fund. But why pick a mid-cap fund when global markets are so unstable? I chose Invesco India Mid-Cap Fund specifically because it has historically shown incredible resilience during market corrections. It heavily targets the financial, services, and healthcare sectors right now, areas that generally stay stable even when global oil prices go crazy. I don't look at the daily news. Market volatility is not a warning sign, it's a discount sale for me. I am investing for long term, so I'll keep my investments running. If you found this video informative, hit that like button. Drop a comment on which fund you are holding. Share it with your friends and family, and subscribe so you don't miss the next portfolio update. That's it for week 80 and week 81 of Where Am I Investing? Keep investing, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next one.